Alright, here is the next standard, TF, which stands for trig functions. This video series is for the spring 2019 second semester for Math 3 final review. Remember this video series, these are not all-inclusive. You are responsible for going and studying everything we've learned in every book all year long to get ready for the final. Okay? And we're going to have to turn the lights on after this. It's getting pretty dark. Let's see. So, draw your reference triangle, label your sides, profit. You guys remember that? Everything about TF, draw your reference triangles, label your sides, and profit. So let's see, if I have sine of theta, let's just draw a right triangle here. Let's say this is theta. So the sine of theta is 12 over 13. You have to find out the third side using the Pythagorean theorem. If you did that really quick and did it correctly, you should find out that that side right there is 5. Now, before you answer this question, you should go through the same process we went through in class. You know, figure out what sine, SOHCAHTOA, right? Sine, cosine, and tangent. So the sine is 12 over 13. Cosine of theta is 5 over 13. Excuse me, and then the tangent of theta is 12 over 5. And you guys can all figure those out very quickly if you have a triangle labeled right there. Then you have to remember, what are the reciprocal functions? Sine reciprocal is cosecant, cosine is secant, and tangent is cotangent. Remember, there's one word co per pair of reciprocals. And if this is reciprocal of that, doesn't that mean cosecant is 13 over 12? Secant is 13 over 5, and cotangent is 5 over 12. Once you write down this table of 6 values, then come up here and look and see what you're trying to answer. Oh, okay. Cotangent of theta, so that's going to be 5 over 12. And secant of theta, it's right there, 13 over 5. Truth be told, on the test, when we went over this after topic 6, I thought you guys were going to knock this one out of the park. This one turned out to be one of the worst questions because the students didn't have the patience to go through all that figuring right there. Any questions on that stuff? Okay, now here's cofunction identities. This is pretty cool because when we go to topic 7 after the stats unit test, you're going to see this stuff in action. But remember, the acute angles, this one and this one in a right triangle, they add up to 90. So if the cotangent of theta equals the tangent of 30, what does theta equal? Do you guys remember? Yeah, it's 60. It's just whatever this is subtracted from 90. So let's do another one. If I said the sine of 50 degrees equals the cosine of theta, so what does theta have to be? Yeah, 40 degrees. It's just 90 minus 50. Okay? So that was a quick video, 3 minutes. Okay.